Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel once again, guys. Today we're going to react again on Esther Hnamte.
And the song she's going to sing is called Yaro, sung by KK.
And growing up, my dad always was a big fan of KK, so he used to listen to his songs, and I also have just heard the songs that my dad has played, and therefore I am also familiar with some of his songs.
A video lo chuati pokanin kan hredeu vekin ka ria ke lau khachu khati khopa lar khani ve kan react don ani tiro chenteu.
Okay, let's listen now.
All right, let's listen.
Coco, don't make noise. Don't make noise, I say. Look at that. I like this part. I mean, very nice. Adorable. Nice music.
Nice river.
Nice view.
Nice view and river also.
Nice. I mean, nice.
Nice voice.
Nice voice. His accent also is okay. And the Hindi accent? Yeah.
The words are so nice.
She's giving part. Part there, no?
No. Look at that, both of them.
So good. I like it.
And and nice, yeah. I know this flute, no? The flute part. She really did so well.
Oh yeah, that's good. Now let's talk about the music first.
Wait. Let's.
Okay, what?
We're gonna judge this by a few criterias, and those criterias are
What is it?
voice and videography and the costumes and personality. That'll be a few for now. So let's talk about voice for now.
All right.
The little kid's voice, Esther's voice, and the guy, David.
Okay. Esther's voice, I was not that surprised because we have heard
Yeah, in our previous video.
review.
You should watch it if you
Yeah,
haven't.
we have heard her voice, so it's not that a surprise, but because my expectation is up there. It's so high already, so I know that she's going to sing well, so yes, she does. So
Yeah.
I'm happy. And David, wow, his voice is good. Superb, I like it because, his accent as well was good. We can't differentiate whether he's from mainland or from Mizoram. His voice is superb, yes. So, I like it. Voice, I give 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
How about mommy?
Yeah, I'll give her 8.
8?
To who?
To her.
To her,
All
yes.
right. Okay, then. How about David?
He's good. He's very good.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
you mean 10 out of 10?
Yeah, I'll give 10 out of 10.
Wow. Oh.
And I like the accent, and also, this is not, Hindi, they don't, that's not
Their mother tongue.
the
not
dialect. So,
Dialect.
when she sang, it is not that good, that pronunciation.
Yeah.
As
Yeah,
in-
but
of a
She
native.
does.
Yeah.
Of a native.
She's
Yeah.
small also.
Yeah,
Yes,
she's-
yes. She's just a 4, and she did so well. So we should, I appreciate her so
She did
much.
really good.
Yeah. How about you?
I loved it. She's so adorable.
She's
Okay,
adorable.
since they've already given their views on the voice, let's move on to the next one. Videography. What do you think about that? Let me say. Can I say?
Okay, say
Yeah.
please.
I also want to say.
The videography, it was beautiful, and the way how they shot it and organized and directed it, it made me so emotional, but I decided to hold back my tears because I think I got emotional in the previous video.
Oh, let me just break you up.
What?
I mean, let me just...
Hey.
In the halfway through the song, I was almost in tears,
That's what.
So emotional.
Because-
Videography and the children's... Okay, say.
Yeah. And even though, like I said before, we grew up listening to these songs, but I never really paid attention to the words. But now that they put subtitles in the music video, the words, they are so beautiful. So beautiful. I never read, and then it just made me so emotional and think back
Okay,
about
wait.
what friendship and love really means.
Remember, when you were small, just little girl, we stay in, the other house there. I used to buy KK songs.
Yeah.
CDs and and we used to listen, and then half of the songs maybe you can sing it. I don't know about now, but I used to love him so much, KK. Now, okay, let's forget about Esther and David right now, but talking about the original singer, KK. He's one of my favorite singer, and I think he became famous in the year 1998, 99, 97. So he became so popular even in Mizoram, okay? So many of you guys might think that Mizoram people doesn't know Hindi songs, they don't listen to it. We do listen to Hindi songs. Like KK, you go to Mizoram and ask who's KK? everyone will know. So like that, I used to buy a lot KK songs because we are into whether even if it is Hindi, as long as it is Western style, like guitars and drums and whatnot, Western style of music, we love it. So KK is one of them.
Vậy là purto thea. Vậy tắm tao soi tao hay milain. Soi lệ chứ. Tụi nào. And the topic is strong here, you know.
I'm going away.
Exactly. Videography can judge.
Sorry, actually, it's not about KK today.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Videography tonight.
Okay. And the aerial view is so good.
You mean
so
the
good.
drone?
Yeah, so good. And the river and the mountain, and the trees and.
Go to Mizoram.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yes.
Okay, next.
And she's so adorable.
Wait.
When
we have so many things to say.
And when towards the end, the David sang and look at her and then.
No, that was cute.
It was so cute.
Yeah,
very heart touching.
Yes.
She was also looking at him. It's like boom.
Yeah.
It was
so
punching,
emotional.
So punching there. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Costume.
Oh, okay.
Costume. Her dress was really cute, I must say.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think when we saw those kids, I think all of them were wearing, how to say, a cloth shirt that they made, I think, no?
Yeah.
They were having
they designed
uniform,
it.
Yeah,
they designed
uniform.
it.
That was good. They put,
so,
and they had messages on the back of the shirt.
Yes.
That was really
friends
nice.
forever.
And it's
Friendship,
all about
friends
and
yeah.
love.
Yeah, that was really, really nice.
Yeah.
They put a lot into this.
Because
we can tell.
Friends, sometimes we have some difficulties. We fought. But in the end, friends.
Yeah, friends are always forever.
Forever. So
yes.
That was it.
Next, personality. The kid's personality.
Esther must be by the look of the video, we can judge, we can feel that she is having a good personality, don't you think?
Yeah.
She has no fear.
No fear at all.
Let me tell my personal experience. Growing up, we come from a little bit of a musical family, let's say. So, my dad would always, pressure me and encourage me to sing songs and practice them. And I know how much sometimes it can be very like, like laziness or unwillingness to do it. But looking at Esther, how she has cooperated with them and how she's like, agreeing willingness to learn a song that is of a different language. On top of that, to put practice into it, and
she has to memorize.
Yeah.
Exactly, all of those things. Hats off to her for doing all that.
She did a very good job.
She's very driven.
To her, yeah. So how about David?
Oh, I like his voice.
Yeah, I think his attire. He looks smart.
Yeah.
Huh?
They both look
smart.
very cute,
Yeah.
smart and cute. Everything went well.
Travek. So then, that's all for today, guys. The links to the original video, we're going to put it down in the description. So check it out. And do watch the original content there, the original song. And also, if you like our react, please
Like,
subscribe,
and share.
and comment.
Jai Hind.